Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Earl Tutor. Today we are going to do installation of a new flying hanger with individual control. Earlier we used to get one rope which controls all 6 rods, but with this new flying hanger we can control individual rod with individual ropes. As the installation process continues, I will explain details of this product. Nowadays, this is very essential in apartments, as we don't have open space, or we should not hang clothes in open space due to society restrictions. No matter how good our washing machine dryer is, we need to dry our clothes in hanger. Earlier, we all used rope hangers, but the drawback of that is that it occupies space in your balcony, and when clothes are hanging, we cannot even stand in balcony. But this new type of flying hangers saves lot of space, and it is available in all the cities and towns. The one which I bought is from FLYINGHANGER.com, which is currently operational only in Bangalore. There are many local vendors in your city. You just need to step into any hardware shop and inquire about it. Basically, there are 2 qualities in it, but both are good as it is made of stainless steel and rust free. But depending on your usage and weight of your clothes, you can choose any one. For example, if you don't have dryer in your washing machine, or for any hand washed clothes, the cloths will be heavy with water weight. For them, premium quality is the best. So in basic quality, the rod size is 1/2 inch, and it comes in both steel and aluminum rods. I would prefer steel because it is rust proof. Aluminum is also good, but it is very flexible. If you try to bend it, it will bend. So the basic model comes with steel and aluminum, and it has nylon ropes, and it has the plastic unit on top of the roof. And it comes in various sizes like 8 feet rods in number of 6 and 7 feet rod in number of 6, and if you want only 4 rods, you can also go for that. So there are different rates applicable to them. I have mentioned all the rate details as per the current market rate in the description below. And some might charge installation fee around 200 or 300, and some also give it for free. It depends on your vendor. And in the premium quality, the rod size is 3/4 inch, and it is completely made of stainless steel and rust proof. And the rope which we get is twisted polyester rope, which is wear resistant and which will last long. And the roof unit will be a metallic unit, and metallic locks fitted into the wall with replacement warranty. And even in this we have different sizes and shapes. I mean, when I say sizes, 8 feet, 7 feet, 6 feet, 5 feet, depending on your balcony size, you can choose the rod size. At the same time, depending on your requirement, you can also choose the number of rods which you want. You can go for 6 rods, 4 rods, or 2 rods. I think basically it starts from 4 rods, 6 rods, and 8 rods, something like that. And rates vary for each and every of this number of rods, and I have given the rates as per the current market in the description below. So from this vendor, the FLYINGHANGERS.com, I have got a 1-year replacement warranty, and as of now I did not face any issues with this. So it's been more than 2 weeks since I have installed this at my home, and I am uploading this video only after the usage of 2 weeks. So far it is all good, and it is able to sustain and lift all my clothes easily. Thank you for watching this installation video. We will be coming up with more unpacking and unboxing videos in future.